What? I wasn't filming? Man, are you kidding me? Okay. So, this is what happened. Esto es lo que pasó. I just ate half of the burger. Me comí la mitad de la hamburguesa, as you can see here. And I was so completely sure that I was filming. Estaba completamente seguro que estaba filmando. And I wasn't. So, I'm gonna have to eat the other half now. Voy a tener que comerme la otra mitad. Even though I don't like to eat fast, but I was explaining at this one, you kind of have to eat it fast. Tienes que comerla rápido porque the bread is too thin. El pan es muy delgado, so it can get pretty soggy. Se puede soguear. Bless you. Okay, anyway, I'm just gonna eat it. Less talking. I was also saying that there's not even time here to clean. Ya no hay mucho espacio para limpiarse ni nada. So we just have to eat this fast. It's pretty good. My invention. I guess the advantage, la ventaja de este pan es que you can put more things in it. It's wider, es más ancho, so you can put more shit in it. But that's it. Eso sería todo. Because it's too thin. But it's very good. It's lunch. Keto lunch. Okay. Last bite. Okay, I'm filming now. Fuck. Última mordisqueita. Oh yeah. And I was gonna say, this is pretty messy, huh? Bastante desordenado. So, if you care about that, do it on a regular bun. Si te molesta eso, que sea que quede la cagada en el piso y todo, es mejor que lo hagas en un pan normal de hamburguesa. So yeah, so this t-shirt will have to go directly to the washer. Voy a tener que llevar esta polera directo a la lavadora. That's it. Eso es todo, amigos. Nos vemos. Subscribe, comment, share, suscríbanse, comenten. ¿Cuál es el otro? Comenten, suscríbanse, compartan. And yeah, help me to get monetized. Ayúdenme a monetizarme. I just need the views. Necesito las visitas. See you later. Bye. Nos vemos. Chao.